Wizadora, we adore her. Doing things in a very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up our day.
Error. Command not recognized. That's the second time, Phoebe. You're just not concentrating.
Oh, sorry, Poot. Hangle, could you whistle a little more softly? It's putting me off.
Oh, well, I beg your pardon. I'm sure, Phoebe.
I wish I could whistle.
No, it's easy. You purse your lips together and blow.
Can't whistle, Filbert? Well, that's not surprising.
You ever heard of a whistling vegetable?
Lots of people can't whistle. I bet Phoebe can't.
I can.
I want to whistle.
Well, I'm the best whistler in this kitchen, so I am.
I want to whistle.
What? Who? Oh, it's you, Filbert. Oh, hello, you lot. I was concentrating so hard on my paper, I didn't see you there. Now, Filbert, what's the matter?
I want to whistle.
You want to whistle? Well, I'm sure I've got a whistling spell in my spell book. Let's have a look. Ha! Here it is. Don't worry, Filbert. We'll soon have you whistling just like a...
Like a kettle.
OK, just like a kettle.
3, 4. This is going to be my great ginger beer. Ginger beer. Oh, you crispy pose, go away. Now, I need 3 more spoonfuls. Or was it 4? Oh, dear. Perhaps it was 5.
Oh, dear. Oh, that sounds awful. Oh, yeah, yes, she'll be there right away. Wizadora, you'll have to go at once. Your mother is in the middle of a very, very hard spell, and she needs another wand.
What about my spell?
Oh, I'm sorry, Filbert. I can't finish your spell. But why don't you try it? It's really easy. All you have to do is add 6 Sneezeberries and say Sneezeberry after each one. Now, where's my wand? Ah, there it is. Then you wave your arms twice and hopefully you'll whistle. Do you think you can remember all that?
Yeah!
Good. Right, bye, everyone. I must whiz.
Now, Filbert, just remember that you have to concentrate if you want to get the spell right.
Concentrate. 1 Sneezeberry. 2 Sneezeberry.
That's right, Filbert. Concentrate.
I can't concentrate with all these crows. A quick blast of my crow scarer will teach them.
3, 4.
Want a treat, Filbert?
Oh, yes, please.
Filbert, concentrate, please. You're going to get this all wrong.
5 Sneezeberry. 6 Sneezeberry. 7 Sneezeberry.
No, stop, Filbert. No, that's too many. Well, can you whistle?
Oh, no. Don't pay any attention to the drawer, people. They're just teasing you.
Huh? 1 Sneezeberry. 2 Sneezeberry. 3 Sneezeberry.
Hey, Filbert!
Concentrate, Filbert.
Filbert, keep your mind on the spell.
6 Sneezeberry.
No, wait, you left some out. You didn't say. Oh, no, not again.
Oh, the spell must have gone wrong again. You'll have to start again, Filbert.
Do it again, Filbert.
Oh, watch out, Filbert, you'll get some on me. Oh, no, now see what you've done.
Oh, no!
Oh, this is fun.
What's going on? Something I said?
Filbert!
Hello, everyone. I said hello. I'm back. What's the matter with all of you? Do you know what's the matter with them? Filbert, how did your whistling spell go? Can you whistle yet? Filbert!
I think the whistle spell went wrong, Wizadora.
I think it must have, Bottom. Oh, Filbert, you have had trouble, haven't you? Here, let me help you.
Thank goodness for that, Wizadora.
That was the best spell we've ever had.
It was all their fault, Wizadora. They kept teasing Filbert so he couldn't concentrate.
Right, you lot. Back to your drawers. Now, Filbert, let's try it again, and this time we'll all help you concentrate. 1,
Sneezeberry.
2,
Sneezeberry.
3,
Sneezeberry.
4,
Sneezeberry.
5,
Sneezeberry.
6.
Sneezeberry.
Well done, Filbert. I knew you could do it.
You really concentrated that time.
Now, let's see if it works.
This calls for a celebration.
Great idea. But what are we going to celebrate with? I'm going shopping this afternoon.
Oh, but we want to celebrate now.
Let me think.
Oh, that was heavy.
What's that, Tatty?
I brought it to show you, Wizadora. It's my ginger beer. The best yet.
Ginger beer? Well, that means...
That we can celebrate Filbert's whistling success in style.
We adore her. Doing things in her very special way. We adore her. Nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up our day. Living with your most peculiar friends in a kitchen full of fun. Hoping each day never ends. We adore her. We adore her. You're the one that can brighten up our day. Wizadora, we adore her. Doing things in her very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up our day.
Hello, you lot. You're just in time for tea. I'm baking some lovely cakes and I've got to go and put them in the oven.
Pippa just left this for you, Wizadora.
Oh, is it a letter?
No, it's a parcel.
Thanks, Tatty. How exciting. Perhaps it's a present. I love getting presents, don't you? Well, I wonder what it is. It hasn't got a label.
Hello, this is Wizadora's residence. Phoebe speaking. How may I help you? Oh, a fax is arriving.
Oh, maybe it's about this powder.
Received correctly and acknowledged.
What does it say, Phoebe?
It's a message from your father, the wizard. He says that the powder, which he forgot to label, is called Honesty.
Honesty? Well, I can't imagine why he sent it. I don't need any honesty powder. I never tell lies. What was that?
Ugh. Oh, what a horrible smell.
Phew, was that you, Bottom?
I come over all faint.
Oh, I need some more food.
I don't know what's come over you lot. I'm going to make the tea.
Oh, can you not smell it, Wizadora?
No?
Brr, 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 brr. Hello, this is Wizadora's residence. Phoebe speaking. How may I help you? Oh, it's your father. He says to warn you about the powder. I see. Yes. Oh, he says it shows when you tell lies.
Hello, Dad. Well, yes, I will be careful. Oh, it's a really lovely present, thanks. It's just what I've always wanted. Yeah. Bye.
Will you come and look at my latest invention, Wizadora? It's a potato splitter. Picker.
I'd love to, Tatty. Anything to get away from this lot. I think they've all gone bonkers.
Whew. Something's gone off in here. Doesn't half stink. It sicks the potatoes, picks the potatoes, and suts them, puts them in the socks. Box.
That's very clever, Tatty.
So all I have to do is whiz round, and collect the potatoes.
Well, just you make sure you don't collect any of my flowers. They've taken a jolly long time to grow.
I'll take care.
Now, who can this be from? Oh, how nice. It's another fax from my friend. Oh, I'll have to smarten myself up first.
Here, you lot.
Yes, boss?
Oh, you want us, boss?
Keep your voices down.
Oh, okay, boss.
You see that powder Wizadora's father sent?
Oh, I see it.
Well, we can have some fun with it, huh?
Can we?
Here, I'll put some in old Fish's tank too. He's always making up stories.
Right, Phoebe. Let's see how those cakes are doing. Oh, wonderful. See, you don't need any whizzification to bake good cakes. Well, I think I'm going to put my feet up while they cool. Then we'll have tea later. Oh, Phoebe, if anyone rings, can you make up an excuse for me, please?
Hello, this is Wizadora's residence. Phoebe speaking. I'm afraid that Wizadora is not at home just now. Goodbye.
Oh, what's that smell? Well, it's certainly not my cakes.
What smell, Wizadora? I've just put some powder on in case my friend faxes me again.
Well, it's not that. It's a truly horrible smell.
Yes, it is. It's a horrible smell.
Oh, I thought it was quite fragrant.
Like the smell I smelled earlier.
I suppose so. I bet it's this. Now I know what my dad meant. Every time anyone tells a lie, they give off a horrible smell. And it's pretty powerful stuff. Ooh.
What wonderful ones. Wonderful spuds.
What? Say what you mean?
You keep quiet, you crows.
Oh, dear. These aren't potatoes.
Oh, no. All of Wizadora's flowers. Quashed by my sultana sicker. Whatever will she say?
And so, that was how I rescued the oyster from the jaws of the shark. And you know, she was so pleased, she gave me a pearl.
That's a lovely story, Very Old Fish.
You did put some of that honesty powder in his tank, didn't you, Top?
Yeah, but perhaps I didn't put enough in. I'll go and put in some more.
Yeah.
Was that a made-up story, Very Old Fish?
No, it wasn't. It was as true as I swim around this tank.
Sorry, Tom.
Oh, dear, now we're all for it.
Oh, Wizadora, I'm so sorry, but my potato picker, picked all your lovely flowers.
Oh, dear, Tatty, whatever happened?
It wasn't my fault. It just started by itself and went splicking. picking all over the garden.
Oh, Tatty!
Whatever happened?
I think someone spilt some honesty powder on you. It means that we can smell whenever you tell a lie.
Oh, all right then. It was my fault. I'm so sorry, Wizadora. All your lovely flowers.
Well, don't worry too much, Tatty. I'll try and fix them. Now, where's my wand? Right, you lot can help me too. A wizardy wow. Make a spell and make it now. A wizardy wiggle and wizardy bend. Make those flowers quickly mend.
Oh, thank you, Wizadora.
Glad to be of help, flowers. Now, Tatty, one thing bothers me. How come that powder came to be spilt on you? Come on, own up, whoever did it.
It wasn't me, Wizadora, honest.
You, that's a lie for a start.
Not me. I had nothing to do with it.
Or me neither.
You're all telling lies. That means there'll be no cakes for tea.
No cakes for tea. No, it was me. I did it.
Yeah, me too.
Someone's already eaten them. Look.
Oh, no! That's very naughty. And it's also stealing.
Well, it wasn't me, it was Sticky.
No, it wasn't. It was him.
No, it wasn't me.
God, stop it, you lot. You're all lying. And there's no cakes for anyone now.
Oh, yes, there are. I brought some to say I was Florrie. Sorry about the flowers.
Oh, thanks, Tatty. That's ever so kind of you. Well, everyone, we have got cakes for tea after all.
Wizadora, Wizadora, doing things in a very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up my day. Living with your most peculiar friends in a kitchen full of fun. Hoping each day never ends. Wizadora, Wizadora, you're the one that can brighten up my day. Wizadora, Wizadora, doing things in a very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up my day.
Oh, it's hot. Good work, Mildred. Those plants need plenty of water. You want to water your pet plant? Good idea.
With lots of love from Wizadora, Phoebe, Hangle, and everyone. There. Hello, you lot. I'm just sending a card to Mrs. Fellabella. It's her birthday tomorrow.
I wish it was my birthday so we could have a party.
Oh, we haven't had a party for ages. Whose birthday comes next?
I'll ask Poot.
Poot is computing. Checking information. Please stand by. Birthdays. Hangle's birthday is in 2 months' time. Nigel's birthday is in 3 months' time.
Hang on. Filbert's never had a birthday party.
You're right. He hasn't. He's never had a birthday.
It's hard to know when his birthday is. Filbert grew from a seed, remember?
Well, why don't we give him a birthday party?
Great idea. When?
Well, what's wrong with today?
But what about the preparations? The party food?
The balloon.
I am a wizard, remember? All we need is a little bit of wizification. Just leave it to me and my trusty wand.
We worm and squirm through the secret tunnels till we get to Tatty's hollow tree.
Worm and squirm. Yeah? Go on, boss.
Then we help ourselves to the ginger beer and honey.
Oh, ginger beer and honey. Yum.
Ginger beer and honey? What?
Oh, wait a minute, boss. Won't Tatty Bogle stop us?
No, because I've got a cunning plan.
Oh!
What's the matter, Wilfred? What's happened? Oh. I'm afraid your little pet plant's died, Filbert. I'm sorry. No, I don't think water will help it now. I think the cold's killed it. Young plants can't stand the cold. It's not your fault, Filbert. It just happened. I know you're sad. I'm sad too. It was a lovely plant.
A wizardy zing, a wizardy zang. Make this party go with a bang!
It's going to be a splendid party.
What's that?
What's the matter, Filbert?
Oh, he says his little pet plant has died. He says, can't you magic it back to life, Wizadora?
Oh, I'm sorry, Filbert, but I can't. There's some things that even wizards can't do. Oh, it's all right to be sad, Filbert. We're sad too.
Poor plant. Poor Filbert. What's that noise? Galloping greenfly. It's coming from my hollow tree. Somebody's burping in there. I mean slurping in there. My ginger beer. Who are you?
I'm the scarecrow that resides in this here hollow tree.
But this is my Trelawney. I mean hollow tree. I live here.
Not anymore. I'm Wizadora's new gardener. And this is my ginger beer.
Well, suppose I'll have to leave if Wizadora doesn't want me to be her gardener anymore.
We must do something to cheer him up, Wizadora. He's so sad.
The party. Then he'll remember that he's got other friends.
Yeah, that's right. Us.
And we're still here. Oh, great idea. Let's get started.
Did I hear something about a party?
Shh. Yes, we're giving Filbert a birthday party.
Oh, is it his birthday?
Well, no, not exactly. But he's sad because his pet plants died. So, well, we thought a party would cheer him up.
Nothing more cheerful than a party, especially if there's cake.
Ready, everyone?
Filbert.
Surprise! Yes, Filbert, we know you're sad about your pet plant, but remember, you've still got all of us.
Yes, we're your friends.
Yes. Is it time for cake, yes?
Hangle, do not be greedy.
Hang on a moment. Where are the draw people? And where's Tatty Bogle?
Goodbye, garden. Goodbye, Trelawney. In the hollow tree. I never thought I'd leave like this.
Tatty, where are you going?
I'm leaving the garden now that you've found yourself a new scarecrow gardener.
A new gardener? No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. He's over there in his Trelawney. Hollow tree.
New gardener? Wait a minute. Has he got any friends with him?
Yes, there are 3 of them.
3 of them. I thought so. We know who they are, don't we? Tatty, it's the draw people. They've tricked you.
Wait till I get my hands on those poor dreeple.
Don't bother, Tatty. I've thought of a much worse punishment.
What?
Well, we're giving a party for Filbert to cheer him up. Can you come?
I'd love to, but what about the draw people?
Exactly. We just shan't tell them about it.
That was good.
Yeah, pity there wasn't any more, eh?
Top. Now that Tatty's gone, who's going to make more ginger beer?
Or honey.
Or jam?
Well, I don't know, do I? Look, lads, I did the best I could.
Well, that's not good enough. Hold on. Listen. What's that noise?
Oh, sounds like a party.
Don't forget to wish, Filbert.
Yeah, a big piece for me.
Yay!
Yes! Well done, Filbert.
Right, so let's just get this straight. Top, first you tricked Tatty so he leaves the garden, and that means we'll never get any more ginger beer ever again.
Or honey.
Or honey, right.
Right.
And then, because we're out here instead of in there, we miss out on the party.
And balloons.
Well, if you put it like that...
Yeah, great plan, cop.
Well, Oh, now wait a minute.
You're not top now. You've suddenly turned into bottom.
The bottom of the barrel. Well, I liked it.
Oh, Filbert's too shy to make a speech, so he's asked me to help.
Well, what's he saying, Phoebe?
He's saying thank you, everyone, for being his friends. He knows it's okay to be sad when you lose something. But he's feeling better now and wants to enjoy his party.
Hooray! Happy birthday, Filbert!
Wizadora, Wizadora, doing things in a very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up my day. Living with your most peculiar friends in a kitchen full of fun. Hoping each day never ends. Wizadora, Wizadora, you're the one that can brighten up my day. Wizadora, Wizadora, doing things in a very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up my day.
Go ahead, laugh, you pesky crows. You'll soon fly away. Sorry, Pippa.
I should hope so.
Must still have been some water left in it.
You shouldn't be so careless.
Well, I said I was sorry.
Well, don't do it again.
I won't.
Good. Honestly, you'd think Tatty would find something better to do than squirt water at people.
Oh! It works! Stop! Never, you crispy pose. Pesky crows.
I think he's absolutely despicable.
Oh,
I cleaned his kitchen.
That's Tatty Bowen I'm not talking to.
Stop arguing!
I wasn't arguing. She was.
What? Oh, you started it, Hangle.
I did
Yes,
not.
did.
Wow! If that's the way you say hello, then goodbye.
Go back in your
What
cupboard.
on earth got into Pippa?
Back in that.
Look, come on, you two, please, make up!
Oh, that does it. I'm leaving.
Good riddance!
Sticky's right. You always get everything.
Well, that's because I'm top, the boss.
Well, it's not fair. I'm leaving.
Me too.
Hangle, please, just tell Phoebe that you're sorry.
No.
Well, I'm certainly not going to say I'm sorry to him if
Well-
he won't say he's sorry to me.
You started it.
I did.
Oh, yes,
Stop
you did.
before I get angry.
Well, she...
Not another word from either of you. Please, just be quiet for a moment and think lovely thoughts. That's better. Now breathe deeply, stay calm, and soon you'll forget why you were angry in the first place.
I don't think I'll ever forget while I was angry. No.
Filbert, what on earth's the matter? The draw people? Filbert, Hangle, Phoebe, Pippa? What's wrong with everyone? They're all so bad-tempered this morning. Must be the weather. Oh, don't worry about it, Filbert. What we all need is some cheering up. Now, getting angry is normal, but staying angry never does anyone any good. We need a special spell. Ah, here we are. Look, Filbert, can you get me that pink bottle, please? This is a song spell. This should cheer us all up and make us stop feeling angry. Right. Filbert, did I ask you for a pink bottle? Yeah! Oh, no. I meant the red!
Everyone, it isn't the song spell. spell.
Did you hear me? I meant the red.
Keep away!
Not me, please.
I meant the red bottle, not the pink. Why did you have to get it right, Filbert? Take that, you silly spell!
Doing.
You silly, silly spell!
What is this? Some kind of party? I don't know, boss. Why are they making such a...
Stupid!
Wizadora, what's wrong?
Oh, I told Filbert to go and get the pink bottle.
That's nice.
No, it isn't.
Is it?
No, I should have told him to get the red bottle.
Oh, dear.
Oh. And now there's a silly sound spell loose in the kitchen and it's all my fault. Oh, silly, 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 silly.
Wizadora's acting very strangely. Silly, silly. I've never seen a silly sound spell before.
Tatty, I just came back to say sorry I was so grumpy earlier on. Tatty, what's wrong with Wizadora? Oh, what's wrong with you? A spell gone wrong, is that what happened? Oh dear, oh dear. What can I do? Wizadora? Oh my goodness, she sounds just like my nephew Kevin when he has a tantrum. Wizadora, you listen to me. You must go away. Wizadora, you listen to me. Now you must stop this. It's no use. We'll just have to ignore her. It's the only way I can get my nephew to stop. Come on, Tatty. Let's ignore her. Tatty, we haven't got time to ignore Wizadora. She may go on all day with her tantrum. We must put a stop to it now. Okay, Wizadora, enough is enough. I want you to stop right this minute. What? It worked! What happened? Where am I? You just had one enormous tantrum. I did? Ruff! Ruff? That's all he can say. Bad spell, I think. I remember now. Pippa, where's my wand? There it is.
A wizardy woozle, a wizardy whizzle. Silly sound spell, disappear with a fizzle.
Hello? It worked! My voice is back!
Oh, what a relief!
Oh, Wizadora, I do wish you'd be more careful in the future.
I'm sorry. I think when I zapped the tantrum spell and yelled silly at it, I turned it into a silly spell.
I suppose a tantrum is one way of getting rid of anger.
Well, funnily enough, with my tantrum, I just got angry with myself.
That must be what a tantrum is, when you argue with yourself.
Very good, Tatty.
What were we arguing about? I forgot. Me too.
Oh, well, let's put our heads together and think. Maybe we can remember.
Nah, I'd rather play cards. Yeah, me too. Hey!
Oh, I wish I could think by myself, but I can't. I know what I can do by myself, though.
Well, those certainly were silly voices we all had.
Well, it's a nicer sound than hearing all of you argue.
And it's good to know that we can all argue and even have a tantrum and still be friends.
No, don't know about that, Wizadora.
Are you arguing with me, Hangle?
Only joking.
Wizadora, we adore her. Doing things in her very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up our day. Living with your most peculiar friends in a kitchen full of fun. Hoping each day never ends. Wizadora, we adore Wizadora, we adore her. Doing things in a very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up our day.
Oh! Can I take a pajama, Tango?
No, you cannot see my pyjamas. Mind your own business, Filbert.
Oh! What the, Tango?
It's nothing. Go away.
Is it a glove?
No, it is not a glove. Go away.
Oh. Is it a sock?
Stop asking stupid questions.
Hangel, questions aren't stupid.
Well, Filbert's are. Why doesn't he go and play outside?
I like to watch you.
Oh, isn't that sweet? Filbert likes to watch you.
Oh, well, I am interesting, I admit. Well, you can watch, but don't ask questions.
Why?
Because why? That's why.
Oh, don't be such a grump.
I am not a grump.
You sound grumpy to me, Hangel.
He doesn't like Filbert asking so many questions.
Why?
Because.
I'm sorry.
Asking questions is one of the best ways to find things out.
Yes, so you should never be sorry for asking questions, Filbert.
Okay. But can you tell me what that fairy thing is?
Furry thing? What furry thing?
The one in Hangel's laundry basket. By the way, Hangel, what is it?
It's nothing.
Well, it looks like something to me. I'll bet it's a tea cosy.
It is not a tea cosy. It's, a hat. It is not a hat. It's, a hairpiece.
A hairpiece?
What's a hairpiece?
Well, it's something that you put on your head.
When you don't have any hair.
Put it on!
Oh, I only usually wear it at Aunt Agatha's. It's a bit dampish. I was about to hang it out to dry.
Why, it looks very nice indeed, Hangel.
Can I try it on?
No, you've wasted enough time already. Oh, can't you do something to keep him out of my hair, Wizadora?
Or hairpiece.
It isn't funny, Phoebe.
No, I've decided it's time for Filbert to become a real wizard's helper.
Stop, Wizadora! Not the one, not the one!
Oh, he's much too young to have...
Nonsense. Filbert's ready to learn.
Do I just play with the brown?
Good question, Filbert. No, you don't wave the wand around unless you're making a spell.
Can I make the spell?
No!
Yes, of course you can, Filbert. But we'll have to think of an extremely simple one.
Go away, you naughty crows! Oh, this awful flood, bare mud. I'll never catch those pesky crows. Crows. Now my foot's stuck in that mucky mud.
My laundry!
My boot!
My floor!
My boot!
Take it off! Take it off! Take it off!
I have taken it off your laundry hanger, see?
The other boot! Take it off!
Ooh. Sorry about the floor.
That was fun, Tatty. Do it again.
Tatty will not do it again, Filbert. Tatty will help clean this terrible mess.
Oh, yes, I'll help you clean the floor, Hangel, but first, can I ask you a question, Wizadora? How do I get all that horrible mud from my garden?
Well, what about the mud on here?
Uh-oh, I know that look.
Not with magic, Wizadora. It might go wrong.
Of course it won't go wrong. We'll have to think of a very simple spell.
Not Filbert!
No, please, use the broom.
No, you don't. I'm not getting covered in sticky mud.
Filbert, you're going to use the clean up quick spell.
Right, goodbye. Call me when it's over. I have some washing to do.
First, you've got to wave your wand at the mud.
Wave the wand at the mud?
And then you've got to say the spell, which is Wizardy whiz, a wizardy woe, mud, mud, out you go.
Out you go!
That's right. Now you practice that by yourself and let me know when you're ready. I think I could do with a cup of tea. Anyone else care for a cup?
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, wouldn't say no, Wizadora.
Oh, I must say, that was the funniest thing when your boot came sailing through the window, Tatty.
I couldn't stop giggling.
Poor old Hangle.
It was so funny.
Excuse me? Got stuck in a mud. Got to pull it out. Come out.
Listen, would anybody else like some tea?
Oh, thank you ever so much.
This is the best tea I've ever tasted.
When did you see the look on Handel's face?
Go away! Hey, you! Give me back my boot.
And Filbert.
Yes, and Filbert.
Make it go away, Wizadora.
Oh, where's my wand? I haven't got my wand.
Filbert.
Oh, he's got it inside that monster.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Quick. Hengel, let us in.
Oh,
Try and remember the spell, Filbert.
Get off my floor!
Put me down! Put me down!
That sounds right. Keep going.
Oh, hooray, Filbert, you did it.
Oh, yes. You did it, Filbert. Just a minute. Where am I running? Hands.
It's gone! Every speck of that muddy mud, it's gone!
Didn't I say if Filbert's clever enough to ask questions, then he's clever enough to...
Wizadora!
Filbert, it's rude to interrupt.
But that's why I was afraid to ask before.
You were afraid to ask if you'd got the spell right, and you didn't.
No, I didn't. That's why you went wrong.
Oh, dear. Filbert, you must never be afraid to interrupt.
I wonder if I may interrupt.
Yes, of course you may, as long as it's an important question.
It is. May I have some tea?
And I suppose you'd like cake as well.
Better than mud pies.
Wizadora, we adore her. Doing things in her very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up our day. Living with your most peculiar friends in a kitchen full of fun. Hoping each day never ends. Wizadora, we adore her. You're the one that can brighten up our day. Wizadora, we adore her. Doing things in her very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer. You're the one that can brighten up our day.
Oh, hello, you lot. I've been trying this spell, but I just can't seem to get it right.
If at first you don't succeed, try again.
But I've been trying all afternoon, Hangle.
Why don't you ring your mother and ask her advice?
Oh, thanks, Phoebe. That's a brilliant idea.
That's what friends are for. I'll ring her for you now. Here you are.
Oh, thank you, Phoebe. Hello, Mum. Yes, I'm trying this mending spell, and, you know, I just can't seem to get it right. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, I see. Oh, yes, I will. OK, thanks, Mum. Bye. I can always depend on Mum for good advice.
You should always be able to depend on your family and friends.
Well, I feel much better now. I don't think I'll try the spell, though. I think I'll go shopping first.
You do that, Wizadora. Bye.
Bye.
No sticking power, the younger generation. Not like when I was a young cloak hanger. Oh.
Hello, Stan. How are you?
Not very good, Wizadora.
Oh, why's that?
Well, I've had this lot of shoddy goods sent to me and everybody's complaining. Look, I've got dusters that won't dust, cleaning powder that won't clean, and the heads keep falling off me mops.
Oh, dear.
Anyway, that's my problem, not yours. So, what can I do for you?
Oh, I'd like some fish food for very old fish and some more fax paper for Phoebe's fax machine. And has Hangel's new cloak come in yet?
I'm expecting it later today. I'll bring it round.
Oh, would you, Stan? Thanks, that'd be kind.
I'm also expecting a lot of toys for a children's party. I hope they're going to be all right. I've had such bad luck lately.
Oh, I'm sure they will be.
Poot, did you make the correction to the latest spell of Wizadora's? The one she rang her mother about?
No, Phoebe. I have insufficient memory left on my hard disk. My brain is too small. I don't have an expanded memory.
Hello, Phoebe. I've got that fax paper that you wanted.
Oh, thank you, Wizadora. Now I can send a fax to my friend.
And now I can try my spell. Did Poot put it in his memory?
Well, no, Wizadora. He says that his memory is all used up. He needs an expanded one.
He doesn't need an expanded memory. He just needs some exercise for the memory he's got.
Hangel, that's not quite fair. Poot works extremely hard.
Yeah, well, it's all too easy to make excuses nowadays.
Now, listen, Stan's coming around later with your new cloak.
Well, I just hope it's what I ordered, that's all.
What's upset him?
Oh, he's just grumpy because some dust got into his cupboard. It makes him sneeze. You know how he hates dust.
No, now come in, Wizadora.
Oh, of course, Stan. Is that Hangel's cloak you've got there?
Yes. Yeah, I hope it's all right.
Yeah, it better be all right, or I'm not paid for it.
Yeah.
What do you call this? I can't wear a cloak with a hole in it.
Oh, dear. Oh, I'm sorry. Everything I've had lately's been faulty. Here, look. I've got a teddy bear that doesn't squeak. Got a bouncing cushion that doesn't bounce. And a jigsaw puzzle that isn't cut into pieces. Everybody's saying my shop's no good.
What are you going to do about my cloak? That's what I want to know.
This is more important. Stan's our friend and we've got to stand by him. It's a question of loyalty.
Well, I don't see why I should be loyal to someone who sells cloaks with holes in them.
Because we should stick up for our friends, especially when they're in difficulties.
That's very nice of you, Wizadora.
Well, I think we should try my spell.
Yeah, look, spells? Oh, no, I don't think any spells would do any good.
Well, this one will. Do you remember how it went, Poot?
I'm sorry, Wizadora.
Oh, yes, I forgot. Well, I'll just have to try and remember the spell myself. Ready, want?
Should I take cover?
Yeah, not in my cupboard, you don't.
Right. Wizardy rain and wizardy shine, wizardy snow and wizardy fine. At the beginning and at the end, join them together, make and mend.
Just look at my cloak.
And what's happened to the bear?
Uh-oh. I think I got my spell a bit wrong.
My new cloak's all ruined.
I'll order you another cloak today.
Yeah, all right.
I'll send a fax to your mother, Wizadora. Then the reply will be on the paper, so you won't forget it.
You're a wizard, Phoebe.
No, you're the wizard.
Only a trainee wizard.
It'll come through in a moment.
Oh, good. Wizardacious. Right. Ready, Wand? You'll have to help too.
Do you really think I could?
Of course you can. And you lot can help as well. Right. Wizardy rain and wizardy shine, wizardy snow and wizardy fine. Put them together, clap hands with me, make them all better. 1, 2, 3. There. Did it work?
Well, let's see. It squeaks. Oh, and it bounces. Oh, look, it's a proper jigsaw. Oh, Wizadora, how can I thank you?
I'm glad to help a friend. Well, Poot, could you put the spell in your memory, please?
Insufficient memory, Wizadora.
Well, do something about that. We'll try my mending spell.
Oh, is that a good idea? I mean, computers can be very complicated.
I'm not complicated. I'm just outdated.
Well, it won't do any harm. Now, are you ready? Wizardy rain, wizardy shine, wizardy snow and wizardy fine. Join them together, clap hands with me, make him all better. 1, 2, 3. No. What have I done now?
Oh, don't worry, Wizadora. I think you wiped the brain he has, but I can restore it.
Oh, what happened? I tried to expand your memory, Poot, but the spell didn't work.
Well, let me try. I know I can buy some extra memory boards. It won't be a jiffy.
Doesn't anyone want to know about my cloak?
Oh, yes, of course, Hangle. How is it?
Well, it's, well, it looks all right.
Well, why don't I help you try it on?
Whoa. Yes. Oh, yes, it's magnificent.
You look very, very smart, Hank.
Oh, thank you. I'd better go and hang it up.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want to get any creases in it.
Oh, here we are. Oh, I think this is the right one.
Yes, I think it is too. Now then, Poot, this is only a wee operation to give you a bit more memory.
Oh, dear. Will it hurt?
No, of course not.
Are you sure?
We'll just start Poot up.
Expanded memory!
Thanks ever so much, Stan.
Well, that's what friends are for.
Wizadora, Wizadora, doing friends in a very special way. Wizadora, nothing surer.